Everyone loves getting that perfect angle on the trail. With the Steeda GoPro mount, using the hood tie down on these Broncos, it's the best way to go. Check it out. All right, installation really couldn't be easier. You grab a Torx bit, loosen it up. The outside part's a screw, comes right out. And for the second one, you do the same thing. Keep the retainer on the inside, keep that there because you'll be reusing that part alongside the Steeda hardware. Already have your GoPro installed. Doesn't need to be crazy tight. Just hold it in place. You're ready to get going. Everyone loves reliving those trail videos, and what better way to do it than using the Steeda GoPro mount with your GoPro. Installation's super easy, takes like 45 seconds and you're ready to roll. Hit us up right here at Steeda.com for all of your Bronco part needs. Comment below and let us know what else you want to see, whether it's a new Bronco part or new videos on our Steeda YouTube channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.